Welcome back to some mini things. Cue the intro. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Jammie Dodger. So for those of you that don't know what a Jammie Dodger is, it is a British biscuit. It's very popular. It's like shortcake with jam in the middle and may not sound appetizing to everybody. However, it is very popular here and I wanted to do some more food for my mini things series. So again, we're going with food because I think it's fun to make food with clay, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here we go. Here is the Jammie Dodger. So as you saw, the biscuit itself is made from two parts, both circles and both then put together with the red clay in the middle. So at first I was just going to go and do the front part, and then I thought actually no, the whole biscuit needs to be done, and I thought I'd just give the whole thing a go, which is what I did. Now the reasons why it's got a great big hole in it is because eventually I'm going to turn this into a keyring, but I didn't want it to jingle jangle during this part of the video, and I wanted you to see it in its true sort of glory as it is at the moment. So to bring it in a little bit closer, I'm just going to put my hand behind it so you can get a good look at it. So the heart, as you know, was done with liquid clay. Now if you didn't have liquid clay, you could do it with normal red Fimo with perhaps a little bit of glitter in it or something like that, but I wanted to do it with the red liquid clay because I don't know, I just find it quite interesting how you can do lots of things with it, and I made it really thick with all the chalk and it worked out quite well. When you use liquid clay, it can be really runny, so it's always best to make sure you put something in there to kind of stabilize it a little bit. The other easiest way would have been to use red clay, but I wanted to give myself a challenge like I normally do, and that is what I used. So the actual decoration of it, the sort of wiggly lines, I think they're kind of like showing that you should dunk it in milk. I don't know. The whole idea of that, once I'd looked at it for long enough, I thought, oh, I never really noticed that there was even these little wiggly lines on them. I knew a Jammie Dodger just by the heart shape. So yeah, when I started looking at it, I thought, oh, this is actually a bit more interesting. And then right at the top, you can see that it says JD at the top, which obviously stands for Jammie Dodger. And the reason why they're called Jammie Dodgers, I had to look up because I thought, you know what, there must be a real reason. So I'm going to read it to you. So a Jammie Dodger is what's called a scamp or a scoundrel who can talk his way out of trouble. It is said that the cookie got its name from the character Roger the Dodger from the Beano comics, and it has been very popular since the 1930s. So there is a little bit of trivia at the same time as a really crafty little biscuit. So this is how you create a Jammie Dodger from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Frog. I don't know quite what happened there. I don't know quite what happened there, but I just went all dry and funny. Anywho, here we go. That was silly, wasn't it? Was that funny? Here we go. End of translation.